guys, what's good? Cody here with the DJI MAVIC Pro Platinum. I'm going to tell you why I love this drone so much and why it is the best beginner bargain drone on the market as of right now in 2020. If you're looking for your first beginner drone and wanting to get the best bang for your buck as far as quality and camera capability, then you'll want to continue watching this video because I believe the DJI MAVIC Pro Platinum just might be the perfect fit for your needs. I'm not paid to advertise this drone. Simply put, I bought this drone with my own money, and this is my very first drone. So I'm able to give you my complete and honest thoughts as a beginner in aerial video and hopefully help you out on your purchase. So without further ado, here we go with 5 reasons why this drone is for you. Reason number 5. The MAVIC Pro Platinum was released around August 2017, which makes it a couple years old now. So no, it's not a brand new drone for the year 2020, but that's a good thing, and hear me out on this. All the software bugs and kinks and glitches have been worked out of the system. You don't have that with a brand new release of something. I was watching Billy Kyle's channel recently where he's testing the new Skydio drone, and it sporadically took off and dive bombed into the water for no reason. You don't want this happening to you as you're learning a new drone. That's why you don't need the latest technology that's just been released. Reason number 4, and that would be the ease of use as a beginner. Coming from your shoes, having never flown a drone before, I can say it took only 15 minutes or so of airtime to understand the controls and how to maneuver around. It also has a beginner mode to start out on, which slows the control inputs till you get used to it, which is really helpful. With its satellite positioning system and its downward and forward visioning systems, this drone is so stable and steady in the air and very precise with movement. Reason number 3, portability. The MAVIC Pro Platinum has an impressive design that focuses on portability. The motor arms are foldable and collapsed into the main body to reduce its dimension size. It's a very easy drone to just stick in a backpack and take anywhere. And when you're ready to get that amazing shot, it takes less than a couple minutes to set it up and be in the air. If you buy the Fly More combo, you get 2 extra batteries and also this handy carrying bag for portability. I have found that not everything with the Fly More combo will fit in the bag, so I have since upgraded to a custom carrying case from Amazon for like 40 bucks or something, which suits my needs just fine. Reason number 2. That would be the camera for the money. I had originally considered purchasing the Mavic Mini to start out with. However, the Mavic Mini only shoots 2.7K. I figured if my smartphone that I carry in my pocket shoots 4K, then my drone should be able to as well. Which is why I decided on the MAVIC Pro Platinum. Not to mention shooting in 4K is a good way to future-proof your work. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal and gives an absolute smooth video even in winds and pushing the drone at max speeds. Go check out some of my other videos to see the footage for yourself. It's amazing. Okay guys, we are down to the last and final reason why you should consider the DJI MAVIC Pro Platinum. Reason number 1, guys, that would be the price. The Platinum has fallen in price and will continue to do so as all the other new drones are launched this year. This opens a big opportunity for those looking to get into the hobby. You don't need the latest and greatest to be able to pull off amazing footage. You don't need a drone that shoots 6K or 8K. Odds are you don't have a computer that can render it or a TV in your household that supports it. That's why the DJI MAVIC Pro Platinum is still the best bargain drone in year 2020. Hands down. If you are new to the drone hobby or are considering purchasing your first drone and have any questions for me about the Mavic, leave them in the comments below and I will get back to you and help you out in any way that I can. If you have taken anything of value out of this video, please give it a like, go check out my other videos, and consider subscribing to my channel for more. So, until next time guys, happy flying!